Oburu nke good character, nwata no highest. If I bully choro, don't worry, menye gi. Kangwa gi nke wezoku, true to God, man no gi. Udara obi amamu, udara obi amamu. Ibugo pamu, udara obi amamu. Otabiri biri no bi, udara obi amamu. Love na banisi, udara obi amamu. Never my ATM card.
Absolutely brilliant. Oh, you know, my son, I don't know what I would have done without you. Oh, you're very good. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Highness.
What is your name?
Isioma, Your Highness.
Isioma. Yes, what can we do for you?
I came to tell Izunna that his food is served.
Ah, good. Your food is served. So you go and eat, have some rest, and then we'll have some more fun. Okay. Go well.
I'll buy. Wait, this food is sweeter than all the ones I've been eating. Who cooked this food? Is it you?
It's me. Do you like it?
Eh? You're asking me if I like. Don't you see I was doing like? You know what happened? To marry you. I'll make sure I marry you so you'll be giving me this kind of...
Do you know how much it costs to prepare this food? You that don't have shish, you want to marry me?
Eh? Me, I don't have shish. Take your time. Don't talk to me anyhow. Because you used to see me. I have my way. Once it has to do with money, I know how to.
First of all, finish your wine,
Wife to be.
Awogidi. Ago.
Oh no. Sit down.
Your Highness, I've come to pay homage to you. And I'm very happy. You look brighter. Eh? Very bright.
Thanks to Izunna, who comes here every day to entertain me. And I feel younger and stronger as he entertains me.
Where is Izunna?
Igwe. Hello.
My son.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Ah, I'm fine.
How about your daddy?
Father is perfectly okay.
That's right. That's good. I'm very happy for you. His Highness has told me how you have been coming here every morning to make him happy. Oh, that's very wonderful of you. Please, carry it up.
Thank you, Ono. I sure will. Thank you. Igwe, let me go to the bush to check my traps.
Of course, okay. By the way, take something to buy something for yourself.
Igwe, thank you. May you live long. Thank you. My regards to you. Oh,
you know, were it not for that boy, I would have been dead. Oh yes, this BP sickness. Oh, it's very, very, very serious.
Oh, no. Don't talk like that. Nothing is going to happen to you.
Well, as long as this boy keeps coming.
He will be coming.
Oh, thank you for coming. Thank you. I mean, I really, really appreciate it. Thank you.
Your Highness.
Papa, good morning. Papa, good morning, yo. Papa, I'm greeting you. You don't want to respond. Thank God you're not the first person I'm seeing today. You don't spoil my day.
Izunna, where are you going?
Papa, which one is where am I going to? I stood here, I was greeting you, Papa. Did you respond? No. Now you're asking me where I'm going to. Don't you know where I go to every morning? See.
That has not answered my question.
Fine. In case you have forgotten, I'm going to check my traps.
Izunna, sit down. I want us to talk.
Papa, can't that talk? Wait, let me check my trap.
I said sit down! What have you achieved from that trap setting? Now let me ask you, sit down! Now, let me ask you, what do you want to do with your life?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. How can you understand when you don't want to do anything useful with your life? Eh? Your mates are out there being useful for themselves. Some are getting married, some with children, some are doing business, some are car owners, some are building houses. But you, all you do is going to the palace every morning to sing Figwe. Allah.
Papa, what is wrong with that? Eh? Tell me, what is wrong with it? After all, the Igwe enjoys my music. Anytime I play for him, he likes it. And again, Papa, don't forget, I always eat breakfast there. If not, I'll be disturbing you to give me food. But I don't disturb you. I go there, they give me food, I eat. And Igwe loves me very much. He always gives me money. Even this morning, he gave me some little change.
Izunna, do you know that you are a fool? Look at what you're talking. Yeah. So, taking breakfast and receiving alms from Igwe can make you be a man in this community. If Igwe loves you so much like you claimed, why can't you give him money to start a business? Look, get out of my face.
Papa Dikeh came yesterday looking for you. He said a lot of things. It's better when you see him.
But I hope all is well. What is it?
A list of books.
List of books. Economics, 5,000. Biology, 7,000. Literature in English, 9,000 naira. General mathematics, 3,500. Agricultural science, 4,000 naira. Home economics, 25,000.
No, 2005.
2005. Science books, 6,500. English textbook, 11,000. Common mistakes in English, 1,500. Plus work fee, 25,000.
Now let me see. Hey, this is too much now. Hey, my daughter, your father doesn't have this kind of money. And I myself, I don't have either. My daughter, you see what you do, eh? You pick the most important books and buy. I know of the WAEC fees. That one is untouchable. It's no-go area. Only so that your father can afford it.
But Mama, teacher said we should buy all the books. We need to read all of them so that we can make our WAEC.
All these books?
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
Now what? Now what? No, tell me. Should I rob a bank in order to pay for all these things? Eh?
Papa,
I don't have it.
Papa, I have to write my WAEC.
Papa, what? There's no money on me. Period.
But she said that they are compulsory.
So?
They are compulsory.
Compulsory. I should carry gun. Amount roadblock, eh?
Please, you have to do something.
Something like what? I don't have money. I don't have it.
Write my exam. Do something. Let me write my exam.
You write your exam? Hey, go and write your exam now.
Isioma. Isioma, I've been looking for you. You absent-minded. What is it?
Sorry. Udara, you're here. You know you're my trusted friend in this palace. Please, if I tell you this, don't tell anybody. Please.
No, what is it?
It's Izunna.
Izunna?
Yes, Izunna. You remember when he was eating at the dining that he said he's going to marry me?
Yes, I heard the truth.
Ever since then I've been thinking. It's like I'm falling in love with him. Seriously, I'm falling in love with him.
You're very sick. Very, very sick. So because Izunna ate the sweet meal prepared by you and he jokingly said he will marry you, that's why you're here killing yourself for him, eh? My God, this girl.
See, let me tell you something. It might sound joking, but he might mean it. Seriously, he might mean it. Wait, but don't you see the way he do admire me?
And will you stop that rubbish? What is wrong with you? See, Lolo is looking for you. Go and serve their lunch. See.
Excuse me. Can't do everything I'll give serving their guys.
Your Highness, thank you for the drink.
You're welcome.
My purpose of coming to the palace today is about your relationship with my son, Izunna. I know you like him so much that you even take him like your own son. He comes here every day to sing for your happiness. I am now asking Igwe, what do you think about his own happiness?
I'm afraid I don't understand.
Well, Igwe, what I meant is that Izunna is now a man. His mates are getting married in the community, building houses of their own. Is it coming here every day to sing for your happiness, dashing him some money that will make him be a man? I am now asking, have you ever asked Izunna what he wants to do with his life? At least, doing some business like his mates, Igwe. As he makes you happy, make him and us happy too.
Nduka, I hear what you are saying. It is true that I like Izunna like my own son. But he has never asked me for anything.
He will not, Igwe. He will not, because he's a stupid boy. Igwe, now that I am asking on his behalf, please do something, Igwe.
Well, why don't you come with him tomorrow so we can ask him what he would like to do. And if it is something within my powers, it will be a great pleasure.
Thank you, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I will do so. I will be on my way.
Journey mercies.
Thank you, Igwe.
Isoma, what was that you're doing up there?
What?
Isoma, you're just killing yourself. You're just killing yourself for a man that doesn't know you exist. Seriously, if you don't take time, you end up being stupid.
Hey, Berry, what's this all about? What is this all about? Is it a crime for someone to fall in love?
Isioma, it's not a crime to fall in love. But this one you are now into is a crime. Because the guy you are killing yourself for is not even interested in you. Isioma, you blind? Can't you see? Can't you see? God.
I know what your problem is. I know exactly what your problem is. Jealousy. Jealousy! That is what your problem is, Ebere. You are jealous. I don't even know why I even told you so. I would have just kept it to myself. I would have kept it to myself. This is bouncing jealousy. Jealousy! Jealousy because he didn't say he will marry you. It is Izunna he said he will marry. Jealousy. Hey!
So, Izunna, my boy.
Igwe.
After discussing with your father, I decided that he should come with you today so that we can hear your mind. So, here we are. We want to know what you want to do. I mean, what kind of business you want to do.
Igwe, I'm happy. When my father told me that you sent for both of us, my heart started beating fast. I was saying to myself, hope I've not done something to offend you. Igwe, thank you. And I would like to do any kind of business that will keep me close to my father. You know I'm his only son, so I want to be, near him all the time.
Izunna, forget about me. I'll be fine. If you like, go to Mamfe or Badagry. My concern is to make sure you are useful to yourself. Just tell Igwe what you want to do. Igwe is number one.
Yes, Papa. Igwe, to cut the long story short, I have something in mind.
Good.
Just buy me keke. Yes, if I can get a keke right now, I'll be using it. I'll run from this village to Eke Kulobia. You know, people who do that kind of business, they make a whole lot of money.
You're saying that if I buy you keke, you will, as you say, be making it.
Aye. Igwe, just give me keke, then watch me.
All right. Unduka.
Igwe,
what do you say?
Igwe, it's okay. It's okay, Igwe.
Good. Izunna, get ready. Tomorrow morning, come here, and I will give you the money for the keke. Wonderful. They're very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Let me show you. Everything is working. Everything.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Oh.
You, what do you think?
Oh, it's very good. I like it. I like it. Yes.
I'm happy you like it. All thanks must go to you, Igwe, for making it possible.
You deserve it. You are a very, very good boy. Bow your head and let me pray for you.
Igwe.
Shall be well with you.
Say.
You will always prosper.
Say.
As you go up and down the road in this keke, oh, maybe you be granted journey mercies.
Say.
And above all, you make plenty of money.
Say.
You're welcome.
And let me hit the road.
Oh, yes, yes, of course. Yes.
Mama, sit down. Mama, it has happened. Mama, hey, Mama.
So this is our keke?
Yes.
Our keke?
Yes.
God bless you.
God bless him.
God
bless him real good though.
And it's a strong one.
Very Papa, you know me now. I have eyes for good things. I told you that. Sit first. Balance.
Hey, my son. It has happened.
This is our own.
So you've done it.
Mama, don't start. Please, don't press anything. Don't press it. Just leave it like this. Let me show you. This one, this is the cloth. The cloth is there. Break. Then that is the throttle. This one. If you want to start it, you just touch here.
My son, I am not going to start it now. It's for you. Hey, God, I thank you.
Izunna.
God, I thank you. But wait, my son. This your small motor. If rain comes now, how are you going to do it? Because it doesn't have doors now.
Mama, very good question. And rain is also coming.
Very soon it will come.
I didn't think about it when I bought it. I just bought it. I was rushing. Let me go and show you. You know what I'll do? I'll go back there and tell them.
You have to do that.
Give me the tarpaulin to
you
cover
have
it.
to do it. Man. Please do. Hey!
Hey! What are you doing here by this time of the night? Hope there's no problem at the palace.
No, not really. I just came to congratulate you about your new keke. Congratulations.
My new keke. But thank you. But I was at the palace this afternoon. You saw me. You didn't say anything.
I know. But I cannot just talk to you while the Igwe was there.
Okay.
Look, I'm really happy for you.
Okay, all right. Thank you. That's enough now. Please go back to the palace.
Where are you coming from? And when did you pass this gate?
That means you don't even know your job as the gate guard. For somebody to pass right in front of you, I just mean like you don't even know what's going on.
You're very stupid. You've not answered my question. And you're not going in until you tell me where you're coming from.
Says who? Are you the king? Are you the prince? Let me pass.
Stubborn girl. You're a stubborn girl.
Me stubborn girl?
Yes.
Stubborn fool. You that like food, you shut up before.
Stupid.
How are you?
I'm fine, brother.
I see you are going to school. Come in, let me drop you up.
Brother, thank you. Sorry, I don't have money to enter keke. My school is not that.
Did I ask you for money? Did I ask you for money? Besides, I know that your school should be almost up to 5 kilometers from here.
I'm used to it, brother.
My old boy. Stop doing this mess, man. Battle ball, let me take you. Here we are.
Brother, thank you.
It's okay. My name is Izunna. I'm from this village.
I know you.
You know me?
Are you not Mazin Duka's son?
You really know me, and me, I know you. Are you not Ichi Ndule's daughter? You see? Where have you been? I've not been seeing you.
Hey, brother, I've been around now. It's just that I don't go out like that. I just go to school, then I'll go back home and read my books.
Okay, that's good.
Brother, please let me start going before I miss first class.
Okay, let me not delay you.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
No problem. Bye-bye.
What are you doing here? Are you waiting for somebody?
Yes. And that person is standing right in front of me.
I don't understand.
Come inside, let me talk to you.
You mean you have been staying here waiting to take me home?
Udara, you asked too many questions. Batu, Bonga,
Dalu. Dalu.
Make sure you come out on time because I always come out very early. Huh?
Okay, I will. Thank you. Ma, good afternoon. Ma.
Your father and I are suffering, looking for money to pay for your school fees and your WAEC fees. You are here chattering keke to bring you back home. Now tell me, when did that one start?
Mama, I didn't hire keke. I didn't hire it. Don't you know Izunna? Mazin Duka's son. He's the one that brought me home now. And he even said he will come tomorrow and take me to school.
Izunna? Mazin Duka's son?
Yes.
Now how's keke?
Hey! Yes, Mama.
Udara, this one you are smiling, is it because he brought you back home? I hope it's not what I think, oh.
Mama, let me go and eat.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Your food is on the table, eh? We have another meeting. Hey, Agnes. Your son now has keke. Oh, let's talk to me.
Are you mad? What's the meaning of this?
I'm sorry. I don't know what I was doing.
Eh? You're sorry? How?
I'm sorry.
Don't worry. When we get to the palace, you explain this to me, stupid girl. You take this.
I'm sorry.
Just get out from here. Stupid girl. You don't keep on flog her. If you don't know how to flog her, I'll take it from you now and do it. Stupid girl. Don't beg me.
You're very wicked. So if Princess asks you to kill somebody, you kill her, eh? If she happens to be your sister, we never flog her like that. Why are you doing this thing now? You're very wicked.
That is your own business. I'm only doing my job. Come on, girl.
Better take this easy. Take this easy, paying me stop.
Sorry now, okay? Listen, I warned you earlier, but you wouldn't listen. Now see what you've cost yourself now, eh? Okay, where is the person that made you go through all this? Where is he now? He's not here.
Gojo. The good things doesn't come. And then that one day we'll be together. I don't know that way.
Husband and wife. That would be your continue like this. I'm going to leave this thing. I'm going to leave this now. You're going to come and do it yourself. What is all this?
Is he a cry for me too? Is he a cry for me too? Just press her feet. I love him. Oh, God, rubbish. Look, take this to me now.
And why is your face like that?
I'm going home.
Home? By this time of the day? Why?
They sent me out of school because of my school fees and my WAEC fees.
What about your parents? Are they aware? Why haven't they paid?
They don't have money. The little one they have, they used it to buy my books.
It's okay. Don't cry.
Why drop us here? I mean, Hess, please come and take us off.
Don't be offended. I have an emergency. I need to attend to something. Just find out.
What about your money?
Don't worry. Just use it to find out. Sorry. Just at the junction here, you will see another bike.
Auntie, sorry.
It's okay. Get it.
Where are we going to?
I want to go to the bank. Let me withdraw some money and pay your fees.
God bless you.
Can I actually do? You see, better often one.
Make a no one your fire.
I'm not going to go to them now. I'm going to go to the
Nah, because you go to come.
Again, no, I go and come.
Please sit down.
Get me what?
Nah.
Yes.
What are we going to do about Udara school fees and WAEC? Eh? You know, tomorrow is the final day, according to her. You see, last night, she cried all through. She did not sleep. And this morning, she left for school without eating.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I don't have money. And they know it. The little I had, I used it to buy her books. And you and I know that dry season is not a better season for my business. Why do you want me to get the money?
Something just came into my mind now.
But let it be something better.
Let me go to our women meeting and borrow some money from them.
Are you sure they will give you?
Why not?
No option.
The problem there is that their interest is too much.
But we don't have any option. It's better you go there and take it.
I will.
So that is...
What is making you happy? Okay?
Yes, Papa. Mama, I paid my school fees, my WAEC fees, everything.
Huh? Let me see. Hey! My daughter.
Yes, Mama.
How manage? I mean, how did you get the money?
It was Izunna that paid for me.
Izunna?
Your name is Izunna. Who is Izunna?
Are you sleeping? Hey, how was the meeting? You don't even care to come inside and tell me how the meeting is.
I came back, I was so tired. I was very weak.
You're supposed to come inside and eat now. So when is the...
Bye.
Oh.
Jendo.
Everybody's fine.
No, sir.
Good afternoon.
Nkechi. Nkechi.
Yes, Papa.
Please get seat for them.
Butoche, oh.
Hey,
no.
Ichi Endure.
Okay, yeah.
Sit down, sit down.
How are you?
Fine.
How are you?
No.
Oh.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey. Ichi Endure. You are welcome once more.
Thank you. Kekunume.
I have done.
Mazinduka, we came to see your son. Is he around?
No, he has gone out. You know these transporters, they live very early. Oh, do you want to charter his keke?
Not actually. We came to thank him, but since he's not around and you are, still the same thing. We came with this gallon of palm wine to thank him for what he did for our daughter, Udara. That is why we are here.
Nazenduka, where are you been? We don't know how to thank your son, honestly. Because since I was born, I have never seen anybody that does such. Izoku, the God I serve will bless your son for me.
Hey. Anyway, Ichi Endulwe. Ndiba is na aru anyu nenu bakwa n'iji. Please don't be offended. I am yet to understand what my son did for your daughter.
It's all right.
Agnes, did you hear anything?
I didn't hear anything.
You see, Mazindos, my daughter was sent out of school because of school and the work fees. And your son gave her money to pay. Yes, so please thank him for us. We may still come back and see him.
It is so kind of him.
It's okay, honestly.
Okay. Ichi Endulwe. I heard you. I'll pass your message when he comes back.
It's good.
It's okay.
It's good. Yeah.
It's all right. We have to be on our way now.
Thank you very much. Where are you going? Naya, follow them.
Greet your daughter for me, oh. Hey!
So Izunna, my son, is now a Father Christmas. Izunna.
Izunna did what?
Izunna. Baba, do you know that you are useless and a disappointment? How can you spend such an amount of money on a girl who is not your sister or relation? Eh?
You are drinking Parental on another person's headache. Good Samaritan. Eh? Look at your sister here. How many times have you given her up to 1,000 naira to buy something for herself? How many times? Since you brought that keke into this compound. In a kega garare. Akuna atakase.
See, you people are actually the ones drinking Panadol on my own headache. And now, I don't see anything wrong in helping somebody who is in need. After all, the Igwe who bought that keke for me, he is not even related to me in any way. Yes, but he did it. So I don't see anything wrong in helping somebody now. What's there?
See, Mama, Papa, if I should say, I don't see anything wrong in Izunna helping that girl.
After all, it is God that made you go to buy that keke for him so that he can also use it for others.
No, will you shut up? What do you know? Let me tell you, from today, anything you want in this house, you go and meet your brother to give it to you. Don't dare come to me, oh. Don't try to come to me.
Alright, fine. Nobody will come to you, Mama. She will come to me.
Better.
Any other thing?
Well, thank you.
This is bad news. Go inside. Until Izunna, you better go and retrieve that money from that girl. Else, I will tell you how you lavish the money on women.
Ha. Papa, that one will not be possible. It won't be possible. I can't give somebody money and go and tell the person to give me back. That one is gone.
What did you say? Eh? Izunna, where are you going? You are going to sleep.
I have a very busy day.
Leave him, let him go and sleep.
Good night.
Night. Hey!
This boy will kill me.
Honestly, Udara, I am not happy with you at all. Why did you tell your parents I gave you money? They now told my own parents and they were mad at me.
What would I have told my parents? What did they expect me to say? Where did I get the money to pay my WAEC fees and my school fees? They would have started suspecting that I'm following men. I'm sorry.
Anyway, it's okay. What anybody says does not matter to me at all. My concern is that you are happy. That's all.
Thank you. Just wish I'll pay you back.
It's okay, don't worry. God will pay me back. Eh? Let me get back to work. Wait. Let me give you something. Take this one.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
Bye-bye.
It's time for me to go to work.
I understand. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. You know, I don't know what I would have done without you. And how is the keke business?
Your Highness, can't you see I am shining?
Yes, indeed you are. Please, keep it up.
Your Highness, isn't that your food is ready?
My food? No, not today. I have to go to work.
Eat something.
Your Highness, you know me. I would always love to eat here, but some people paid me for chatter. See what you're saying. See, had it been I was in America, believe me, I would have replaced Michael Jackson in music. Me. You're laughing. See, if I dance Michael Jackson style for you, you will give me everything you have, including this your skirt. That's you.
You dance Michael Jackson style for me. Which leg? This your leg and your voice. Michael Jackson, world style.
Wait, are you joking with me? Eh? Because every time you see me in this village, I'll be going to sing for the Igwe. You don't know what I can do with this, my boy.
Please, let's change topic. Let's change topic. Why didn't you go to church today?
Me? Of course I went to church. I went for 5 a.m. mass. You think I'm like you that cannot even do sign of the cross?
Really? Reverend Father.
I just remember. Now that you'll be going for your WAEC exam, I'm sure you'll be needing money. Yeah. No problem. See me tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening.
Michael Jackson replacement.
Who?
Hi! You talk now. Wait till the verse.
Nah, but you, did you see those two idiots? Did you just look at what they are doing on the road? Hi!
Don't mind them. Especially that stupid Onyembu idiot that calls himself Izunna. That is since the Igwe bought that keke for him, he has been feeling like James Bond. I didn't get the whole thing.
I don't even have any problem with that Izunna. My problem is that stupid Udara. Ever since Izunna started making little change from that his keke na pepe business, Udara now parades and follows Izunna everywhere like bodyguard, parading themselves around the whole village. Hi!
Onyeka, if the Igwe can buy keke for that nonsense boy, Izunna, because he sings for him, I think we should sing for the Igwe. He will buy keke for us. What do you think?
You know you are very intelligent. See, we'll start immediately. We'll go and sing for the Igwe. And before you know it, we'll replace Izunna at the palace. And Igwe will start showering us with good things. You think he buy us keke sef?
Onyeka, they talk too much. When are we going?
You know, I'm very, very intelligent. I don't like messing up. See what we'll do, we will rehearse for some days. We'll start rehearsals so that we'll not go and mess up at Igwe's palace. You know Igwe is concerned. Yes, now. And see, at the end of the day, we'll snatch that water away from him.
Confirmation!
Imagine that car bear.
Where they go?
Udara, the reason I called you is to ask you as a father. Somebody told me that he saw you and Izunna today walking hand in hand along the road. Is it true?
Yes, Papa. We were walking along the road. But hand in hand is what I don't understand.
You are walking along the road with him as what? As husband and wife?
Papa, Izunna is my friend and there's nothing wrong in walking along the road with him.
There's nothing wrong.
No, I'm surprised at your question. Honestly, I'm surprised at your question. I thought you called our daughter to ask her if Izunna told her or discussed anything with her.
Meaning?
Meaning that Izunna is a good boy. Have you forgotten what he did for our daughter? In fact, what he has been doing for her. My daughter, did Izunna discuss or told you anything?
No, Mama.
Now, listen to me, both of you. If what I am thinking about this boy is right, as long as I live, it will never happen in this house.
Don't mind your father. Don't mind him.
So you've grown so big that you don't even know how to greet us well.
But I greeted you people.
Says who, Udara? Did you put inside your greeting?
Okay. Onyeka and Pius. Good day, sir.
Hey!
Hey! You're not even afraid to call us by our names.
Just imagine the way she called it. Onyeka and Udara and Pius.
Hey! You're gonna be a boy.
What kind of problem is this? What am I supposed to call you people now?
What happened to sweetheart, darling, honey, sugar? What I mean?
Honey. Udara. Is it because of that keke driver? That idiot called Izunna made you think you cannot greet big guys like us. Look at us now, big guys like us very well. Udara, you are such a beautiful girl. Tell them now, and you need people like us, big boys like us who can match to that your test. Udara,
we'll make you happy. We'll make you smile. Just give us a chance. Come on.
You people are just funny. Okay, I should give both of you a chance. Which one of you will I give a chance?
You can give me the chance. I'll manage it.
Kitepa selye your bolo there. What happens to me?
We'll take off 10 feet, 32 feet. Are you going to Look at this one.
See, look at them. Big guys, big boys. I should give you people a chance. You people don't even know what you want. See, let me just warn you. Nobody should say anything about Izunna again, or you'll see what I'll do to you. Is Izunna your mate?
You see him? Nayan. Asa harap go itido now. You see him? Asa harap go itido kita. Asa harap go itido kita.
You are very stupid. Hey. You are very, very stupid. That is why I hate running things with you. Because at the end of the day, you mess it up.
See who's talking.
See who's talking. I'm not even interested again.
Who cares?
Even to sing for the Igbo. Just go your way. Let me go.
One net to do.
This one, no.
No, what the quote? I mean, they go a bed. They go that side a bed.
Don't come to my house again, no. It's yours. Yeah, I'm sorry now. Yeah? Are you my friend?
But sometimes not acting really good. I'm sorry, I won't act next time.
I'm sorry, I will not do it again.
I don't wash now. I beg. May we wash finish, we will go my Okada.
Yeah.
I hope you owe money.
I know you.
I hope business, you go start.
Ayo! You're a very good friend though. I would have helped you.
I need to say you don't go talk today. Wow, wash finish first.
Do it good for me now.
Yeah. You get some?
I don't get anything.
I can't tell you say you still pass our tell.
I want again now. Don't get them again.
See, I get concept. See. If we just reach there, we go tell them, Igwe, Uche, water. Yeah, Echaye.
Hey! That will make sense.
I will tell you. See,
so intelligent too.
You know understand? See as it will be. Uche, Jaye, Uche, Jaye, Uche, Jaye. Kireka. Jaye, Uche, Jaye, Uche, Jaye, Uche, Jaye. Come on.
Oh, you can play, eh?
Oh boy. See, that man don't give us maybe even keke self.
Me, now how much I want? That big one.
If you drive
I'm done.
Okay, may we do rehearsal first. Come on, Uche, Jaye, Uche, Jaye, Uche, Jaye, Jaye. Come on, Jaye, Jaye, Jaye.
Hey, I don't go here.
Jaye, Jaye.
Yeah.
Forget about Oheka. All they do in this village is just stay happy causing trouble. Forget them.
But you have to warn them. Because if they continue stopping me to say rubbish like that next time, I'll just insult them.
Ah, no. Don't insult them. Don't worry, I'll warn them. But for now, that's not important. What is important right now is the WAEC exams you'll be starting tomorrow. So you need to go home and read.
Okay, I will. But I want to ask you something.
Okay, what is it?
You know you have been doing plenty things for me. You pay my school fees, my WAEC fees. You buy plenty things for me. What are you thinking about me?
What do you mean? What am I thinking about? Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, nothing.
So you have just been doing all these things, buying all these things for me just like that?
See, that is not important for now. What is important, like I just told you, is your WAEC exams. You need to go home and start reading. Wish you good luck.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't stop anywhere. Straight to your house.
Yeah, I'm going home.
That's why we are here.
Igwe, all you need to do is just give us a chance. And I bet you, Igwe, will make you happy for the rest of your life. Igwe, I am already happy.
Tell me, what is your name?
Yeah, Igwe, my name, I am the one and only Onyeka in this whole community. Oh,
Igwe, this is me, Pius, aka Payonwa, the son of Otenko, the power tapa. Yo,
Onyeka, Pius. You mean you can sing and play to make the Igwe happy?
Igwe, you don't need to hurry yourself. Here in Agwaibo, pure. You see, we can even sing more than this. Izu, who is Izu? Michael Jackson himself.
Especially now that keke driver, Izunna, he's so engulfed with that his keke business. We can be coming every morning to sing for you. I keep you happy, Igwe.
I'm not so now.
Okay. Well, I will let you show me what you can do. But before we do, guard. Go to the to Lolo, tell her and the princess that I want them to come here. We have some guests.
You can even sing more than Michael Jackson himself.
You can be coming every morning to sing for you, Igwe, and keep you company.
I've sent for Lolo and my daughter, Princess. I went to enjoy you.
Leave your care.
new entertainers. They have come. Yeah, they say they can sing and dance better than Izunna. So that is why I sent for you, so that you can join me to enjoy them.
Really?
Yeah.
So, what are they waiting for?
Boys, I think we'd like you to show us what you've got. But if I enjoy it, I promise you, I will give you anything you want.
Hey! Even in the shop. You mean
You heard him. Just start dancing or singing, whatever.
Hey! Upward! Hey! You did that? You did that? You did that? Hey yo, with the quill. Hey yo, with the quill. You go on a book. Hey yo, with the quill. 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 Oh yeah, with the quill. Hey! What's that here? Go. What's that here? Kirikata, Uche, Jaye, Kirikata, Uche. Igu asingi Uche. Iwata. Yeah. Igwe asingi Uche Iwata. Yeah. Hey! Kirikata, Uche. Jaye. Uche. Jaye. Igwe Uche. Hey, Jaye. Kirikata, Uche. Jaye. Kirikata, Uche. Jaye. Kirikata, Uche. Jaye. Kirikata, Jaye. Kirikata, Uche. Jaye. Kirikata, Uche. Jaye. Kirikata, Jaye. Uche. Jaye.
That's all right. That's all right.
Pasa, this is just the beginning.
That's fine. Yes, I have heard you. I have seen you. I shall call you when I need you.
No. Esin, it's okay. Thank you very much. Before you kill somebody, we'll laugh here, yeah?
Hey! Salute for Igwe. Ompa, Joy. Tampa you. Tampa naked wire. Hey. Aya go. Teenage.
Tampa. There's no wire.
We'll be on our way.
Thank you.
Okay, Igwe. Thank you. Igwe, hey, with the quote. Hey, yo.
Bye-bye.
Hey, yo.
Dad.
I'm very, very happy. All these things we talked about, it worked out.
Bayo, I am so happy. See, I eat Puga Biego. Oh, I ate you go.
Hey, we didn't tell you to buy us bigger. How much people that one in the front? Not this one, no. The other one. Hi. Oyeka, I don't need the car. I don't need the car. Listen, I want to tell the Igwe I want to marry Udara. The love of my life. If I say you are stupid, if I call you a stupid boy, you'll be happy. You are very stupid. Huh? Where do you think you will see money that you feed Udara with? Do you have money? You know my money? Eh? Look at this one, oh. Mind yourself. Let me marry her first now. Oh, they go. Hi! Oh! Where's on your Hi! Why is this stopping here? Eh? Why is this stopping here?
Pius and Oyeka. Dala, how are you?
See, don't insult us. Don't insult us. If I get angry with you, I want to go. Pius, allow him. See, you can go ahead and say whatever you want to say, but don't insult us. Izunna,
Anyway, I'm not insulting you people. I just want to beat you.
By the way, why did you stop? Did you stop to show us this your keke? This your mama cheese? Others they drive 4, you drive 3.
You are driving 2. Meanwhile, I heard you people went to the Igwe to sing. What were you even singing? Two of you, are you not ashamed of yourself? My friend, shut up. I have keke, you don't have. When I'm talking, you shut up. Listen. Udara. Listen, both of you. Udara. See her. When you see her on the road, Charlie. Well, Leah Solom, just don't go near. She is not your type.
Who give her one? See, smart. Hey, India, one more ton of
Izunna, your father was here yesterday. He said you have been spending the money you earned from your keke business on a girl. Is it true that you are sponsoring a girl in school?
It's true, Your Highness.
Well, and what is her name?
Her name is Udara. She is Chiendu's daughter. Yes. Your Highness, she's actually the girl I want to marry.
Have you spoken to her about it? Have you discussed with her parents? Your parents?
I'm not ready yet. But I will be.
All right. You know our tradition. Make sure you do. And keep me informed so that I can keep my cabinet members informed, because we are going to perform the tradition.
I can't thank you. Thank you. I'll do just that. Where are you wanting to? Who is your friend?
Nobody, thank God you're here. I was coming to your house.
My house?
Yes. See my WAEC result. I made it.
Hey, congratulations. Oh. I love you.
What did you just call me? You called me your baby and you said you love me.
Did I say that? Don't mind me. See, this calls for celebration. Eh? Come.
Yes, even my father.
So, you have lost all you could have gotten from TV. I'm not even talking about Udara. Is that lost? Our hands cannot reach her. We have nothing.
Just don't mention that girl's name here again. That girl is a witch. Are you sure she's not the one that bewitched you?
I think you're right. You are very, very right. Ah! But what do we do now? What are we going to do?
What for?
You're asking what for? About the Igwe, Udara, and all we could have gotten from them.
Do you ever reason at all?
Me?
Eh? Do you reason at all? Eh? Do you ever reason at all? Listen to me for your information. I am taking this my life and do something reasonable with it. I don't know for you. Hi, Udara.
Are you okay? Anyway, let me go to my house too. Let me go and look for what I will do with my own life.
Better do, man. Hey. Better do.
How are you?
I'm fine, welcome. Let's go inside. My parents are not around.
I don't think I want to go inside. There's something important I want to discuss with you.
I hope there's no problem.
Oh, no problem. But I don't want us to discuss it here. Let's go to quiet place. Okay? Take this. Open it. Anything you see inside is yours.
What are these things for me? Hey, child. Thank you.
It's okay. I decided to buy you those things because you made me proud in your WAEC exams. Otom, there's something else I want to tell you. You see, I've been watching you. I've been assessing your character. And I found out that I also know deep inside me that you are a wife material. Udara, will you marry me?
Stop joking.
I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
You're not joking. What will I say now? I'll marry you.
Eh? Say it again.
I'll marry you.
I know you start doing like
All this while, you've been going around talking. Now tell me, what exactly do you want to do?
Papa, you know I've been supporting Udara in her education and all.
Yes.
Right now she is through with her secondary school and she did very well in her WAEC. Papa, I want to marry her.
You want to marry Udara? Have you talked to her?
Of course.
And what did she say?
Papa, she accepted.
That's cool. Eh? Yeah, but now I'm addendum. We're from one.
Yes, Papa.
So I'll be alive to see my grandchildren.
Thanks to God.
Oh, God, thank you, Mom. Oh,
thank you, Papa.
It shall be well with you, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey, you see, since you were born, this is the only good thing you've done to your life.
You got one. No problem. I accept.
Hey! This one is just your color. Your color. Hey! You mean Izunna bought all this for you?
Yes, Mama. Yes. Guess what?
Nay, tell me.
He proposed to me.
Huh? Meaning?
Mama, meaning what you already know now. He asked me to marry him and I said yes.
That's my daughter! That's good!
With whose permission did you accept that proposal?
No, I don't understand you.
Don't deny me. I'm asking you. With who?
I don't understand you. Abun Nagalo. Igalo ya.
Izunna will not marry my daughter. Izunna will not marry my daughter. Hey, shut up! Shut up! So you have grown up, to ask me question. Me, Ndurue, your father.
Izunna will marry her. Izunna has proposed to her and she accepted.
Okay. There we will know who is the head of this house.
Nobody is dragging your position with you. What we are talking here is about Udara's marriage and her happiness. That's all.
He will not marry my daughter. I have spoken.
All I know is that Izunna is a good boy and he will marry my daughter. Don't marry your father. I told you, don't worry. I can handle your father. I can handle him. No, cheer up. No? Cheer up is not marry. Cheer up.
As I was saying, according to the custom and tradition of the land, these are the items. Hot drink, 4 pieces of cola malt, 2 gallons of palm wine, and 2 crates of beer.
No need of showing me all these things. It has no meaning to me. So better take it back with you. Your son cannot marry my daughter.
Yes.
You can't.
Ichiendulwe, can you tell me why my son cannot marry your daughter? Because as far as I know, both of them have agreed to marry each other.
Ndoka, if you must know, your son is not good for my daughter. That is all. Me, go on.
Okay. Okay. Sorry if I may ask. Have you asked your daughter and she told you that my son is not suitable for her?
I cannot ask her anything. It is not for her to decide when it comes to this kind of issue. I think you people have overstayed your welcome, Ndoka. So, okay, Mom has spoken.
Please.
Leave, I
want
said.
to say something, please.
Don't say anything. Get inside the house.
Nah, if this thing you are doing is not good, it's not good. All I know is that Izunna must marry my daughter.
If I happen to find and get back, this is not what we are discussing together last time. How did you tell? Why should I prepare all those things?
What are you people still waiting for? Go now.
Papa, why will you ask Izunna
shut up, shut up.
to go?
Shut up. Be careful. I am the head of this family. Whatever I said is final.
Papa.
So when they...
is he doing at by this time of the night? Huh? Crying? Is it because of Izunna?
Mama.
I've told you to stop crying. Your father is trying to be a good father. But very soon he will change his mind. Oh? Only come, let's go inside. Come, let's go to bed. Let's go and sleep. You can't be here alone. Come, let's go inside. Oh, it's okay. You will marry Izunna. It's a promise. Oh my gosh. Ada. Let's go inside. Oh? Don't worry. You will marry Izunna. Eh?
Izunna, are you saying that Ichie Ndulue says you cannot marry his daughter after all you have spent on her?
Igwe, I don't have any problems with the girl. She has agreed to marry me. That was why I went to her place with my people. But to my greatest surprise, Your Highness, Ichie Ndulue rejected me. I don't think...
It's all right. It's all right. I want you to send me that girl. I want to ask her some questions. And you, I want you to make a list of every single thing that you have bought for her. I know what to do with it.
I will do as you have instructed, Your Highness.
Don't worry. You're all right.
Thank you.
Udara, I sent Izunna to call you. He told me that he went to your house with his parents to go and ask for your hand in marriage. But your parents rejected and walked them out. Is that true?
Yes, Your Highness.
And what is your reaction to that?
Your Highness, I don't know what to say, but I love Izunna.
In other words, you would like to marry him?
Yes, Your Highness.
But what if your parents insist that he will not marry you? What would you do?
Izu, don't forget to write Wayek fee. Wayek fee and the money for the cream you gave her the other day. Write everything.
I also bought her shini.
Everything. Write everything there. Have you forgotten? Let me see where. Imachakwa. There. Let me see how and where Ndule will get this money and pay him back.
I warned you when you were spending the money on those ingrates, but you wouldn't listen. Look at Nkechi, your own sister. How many times did you buy such things for her?
Nah, you go no. It's okay. Dikeh said that he should write out everything he spent on Udara, and Ichie Ndulue will pay him back. And that's exactly what he is doing. And you are interrupting him.
Who will pay him back?
Ndulue.
Ichie Ndulue.
Hey, what are they now?
Where will he get such money to pay back?
Huh? Now your time won't control. We will find the money and pay him back.
See, in fact, I'm not writing again.
Huh?
Esin?
I said I'm not writing. See, I love Udara. I want to marry her. I don't want any form of payback. When I was buying her all those things, I didn't do them so that somebody will pay me back. I want to marry her. I'm not writing.
Love waiting.
I don't know.
So what are you going to do now? Izunna, what has come over you now? Write out these things. Let us go and show it to Igwe.
Look at your son. Anyway.
Ichie Ndule.
Your Highness.
Are you aware that this young man paid your daughter's school and WAEC fees?
Yes, Your Highness, I am aware.
Are you also aware that he buys her a lot of things, takes her to school and back every day without asking for one kobo, and he sponsored the WAEC trip? You know what I mean.
Yes, Your Highness, I am aware of those things, but I didn't know he was doing those things in order to marry my daughter.
He didn't tell you. Did you ask him?
No, Your Highness.
Did you call him to find out if there was going to be a payback?
No, Your Highness.
Well, of course, you thought it was a charitable organization. And it did not occur to you that no man will embark on this kind of journey with a lady he cares for and takes up responsibility like this without having something in mind. But you wouldn't ask him because you thought he was a fool. I would like to ask your daughter a question. My dear.
Yes, Your Highness.
Tell us all here. What do you have in mind about this young man here, Izunna?
Your Highness, I love him and I would like to marry him. He's the kind of man I like to spend the rest of my life with.
Ichie Ndule, did you hear your daughter? Everybody here is excited by what she said, except you. It's not that I don't know what to do, but I have chosen to take things slowly because you have a wonderful daughter here who loves you very much and will appreciate your blessing. It is my judgment that in 7 days, you have two options. One, to agree to give your daughter's hand in marriage to her young man here, or you pay back every single kobo that he has spent on her. This is my judgment. And so shall it be.
Now, what is it? What happened?
Udara had the mind to humiliate me in the presence of Igwe and others. Look at her.
Now, please take it easy with her. From what you have been complaining, she did nothing wrong.
I know. She did nothing wrong, eh? You caused it. You caused it. Oh yes, because had it been you trained her well, all this rubbish wouldn't have occurred. Oh yes.
You are blaming me now.
Oh yes, I am blaming you.
When Izunna was buying things, spending money on her, you were there praising him. Hey, this boy is good. This boy is kind. You even drank the tea and bread he bought for her. And so, remember?
And so, when he was doing all those things, or buying all those things? Did he tell me that he was doing it in order to marry my daughter?
I don't understand what you are saying. All I know is that they love each other. Stop them.
Bam! I know, because what you are waiting for now is to dance Obro Manwa. Is that not what you are trying to tell me?
Mama is right. Mama is right.
Oh, Mama is right, and I am wrong. Papa is wrong. No problem. No problem. I know what to do. We shall see. Manamona will get I don't know for you.
Oh? What you
Nkechi nyere mo kedi fiji chinalo mo ya ila machi nyere mo agage marapu ya.
This will never happen. Izunna will never marry that girl. I can never allow this girl to take away my man. No. What did she even call herself? Udara. Uchekuko. It can never happen. Not while I am still alive. Not very stupid. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with this girl? Hey! Ebere, are you blind or they plaster chewing-gum on your eyes? Huh? Can't you see that something is actually wrong with me? Yes, something is wrong with Isioma. You know what it is? Love. Love! Isioma is in love. Ebere, I am in love. I am in love. I'm in love with Izunna. Can't you see? And one thing is trying to take him away from me. Hey! So do you know you're mad? You're getting crazy. Jesus.
Okay, let me ask you. This your Izunna, eh? Have you discussed anything with him? Or has he asked you for anything? Eh?
No, he hasn't. Okay, let's just say I don't have the mind to approach him. The thing is that I love him.
Then you have to do that. And very fast, before you die here. But there is a problem. Not now Izunna wants to marry Udara. So what are you going to do about it?
Udara, go. Check. Okay, you know what, I bury it. Honestly, I need your help.
What? How may I help you?
Like you should help me talk to him on my behalf.
No, don't go there. Please. See this girl.
Calm down now. You know I'm your trusted friend. Yeah. Believe me now, please. No. Yeah, should I know that? Yeah. Please, mom, become.
Yeah, Izunna. Wait, oh. Are you saying that Isioma sent you here to tell me that she loves me and she wants me to marry her?
Yes, so as in, she cries every day. She doesn't eat. She doesn't sleep. Because of you.
Because of me?
You.
Yeah. It's with that thing I told her that she... Okay. Well, I want you to go back to the palace and tell her that I like her too.
Are you serious?
Yes. But as for love, I'm in love with someone else, Udara, and I want to marry her. Okay? Nkechi? Nkechi? Go and get me back.
What is she doing?
Don't worry about that. Nothing, just get me my food.
Brother, are you sure?
Are you drunk? My friend, go. Go on.
The fact is that Izunna loves loves you. But he's already in love with Udara, whom he wants to marry, before you. So you see, there is nothing you or anybody will do about it. I suggest you stop thinking about him.
I know it. I know it. Even the breeze can confirm it. I can feel it. Like I can feel the breeze telling me that he loves me. He loves... Hey!
I don't know. Which one be your own?
Pass the go. Thank you. Let go now, what they do you? Have you cooked for... Like I was saying, that even the wind could confirm it that Izunna loves me. Anyway, there's no need of talking. I just know what to do.
So what do you intend doing? Isioma, I'm warning you. I'm warning you, Isioma. Don't do anything stupid or I'll be forced to tell the Igwe. I'm warning you.
Who cares? Even the Igwe himself cannot stop me.
Isioma.
Yes.
Isioma, leave this young man alone. Oh. Leave him alone. Leave him alone to plan their wedding. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God.
Just watch me the way I will leave them.
Nine. Why not allow these children to get married? Because now, let us allow these children to get married. They loved each other. Remember what this boy has done for this family. How he helped our daughter when she needed help. Now, the Igwe gave us 7 days to give her hand out in marriage to Izunna, or we pay him back the money he spent on her. Today is the 5th day. You've not told me anything, Biko.
Don't worry. I've taken care of everything.
How?
So you mean my father came to your house to return the money you spent on me?
Exactly.
Why would he do that? What did you do?
Me? I rejected the money, of course. What were you expecting me to? Your father even told me that he has been reserving you for one Mass Okonkwo's son that stays abroad to come and marry you. He even said he has discussed with Okonkwo and they concluded.
Me? Ha! God forbid. See, if my father comes to you, don't collect anything from him.
Am I mad?
But why would my father be keeping me for someone that I don't even know and he hasn't even asked me that I like the person?
I just wonder. I was so surprised when he said it.
I don't like this one. I don't like my friends. I don't like it.
It's okay.
Izunna, I sent for you and Udara. Your father came here yesterday and told me that her father came to pay back the money you spent on her, and you rejected the money.
Yes, I did, Your Highness.
Well, now that it is so, what do you intend to do, both of you?
Honestly, Your Highness, I don't know. I really don't know. But one thing I know for sure is that Udara and I are meant for each other. And nobody can stop that.
Udara, you heard what he said?
Yes, Your Highness. Izunna is right. Your Highness, please, if there's any way you can talk to my father, please do. Because if this thing continues like this, I'll have no choice than pack my things and start living with Izunna. When my father is ready, he can give us his blessings.
You can't do that. You know our tradition. It is indeed an abomination for any woman to go and live with a man who has not paid her bride price.
But Your Highness, what else will I do? My father has refused to cooperate.
It's all right. I will handle it. I'll handle it. Let me find that. Isiama? Isiama? He said their food ready.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good, good. Go and eat. Serve them, please.
Thank you.
Don't take that drink.
My elders, I summoned you to listen to what this young lady, Iberi, told me about this thing standing before us. Iberi, tell us all here what you told me this morning.
Yes, Your Highness. I greet you all. Some time ago, Isioma told me that she loves Izunna and that she wants Izunna to marry her. But later, she found out that Izunna is in love with Udara and wants to marry Udara after she sent me to go and talk to Izunna on her behalf. When I came back, I told her what Izunna said, that he wants to marry Udara. That he wants to marry Udara. Ever since then, she started planning evil against Udara. So today,
My elders, you have all heard what she said. But to believe what you heard, I will ask Isioma to drink the drink. Yes. Drink this poison that she prepared for Udara. Drink!
Shut up! Shut up! Devil. Wait, devil. You are the devil workshop. Now, tell me, what is the content of the drink? And what would have happened to my daughter if she had taken it? Zamo says so. Talk!
You are no more talking.
She would
have died before the end of the
My people, what do you think we should do to her?
Your Highness, you don't need to ask this question. Go ahead and give your judgment.
You are right, Chief Okeke. There is no doubt about that. But Igwe, please, I want to make a passionate appeal for the mitigation of her punishment. Please, Igwe.
Oh. We do not like shedding blood. Were it not for that, I would have asked this thing here to drink the poison that she prepared for the innocent girl until she wriggles and dies here. But we do not shed blood. This is my judgment.
Please, I'm sorry.
That Isioma is hereby banished from this moment for 10 years out of this
You please forgive me. I won't do it again.
God!
Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry, sir. Please.
Take her away.
Please, forgive me. No, I want to.
Take her!
Please, sir.
Take her to the boundary between this land and the next. And you, Ichie, I give you 2 days. Just 2 days to bring us back here to the marriage initiation between your daughter and Izunna. Failure to do that, you will see the other side of me. I have spoken.
It's so good.